Hola, hola. Miren lo que
This one's for our wheelchair friends.
I was gonna ask you, like, who's like Janet about?
Oh, no, it's the second for the
Oh, Janet?
What's on it?
Which means we should be due for a new set of boats.
Oh! Okay, that's fine.
One blustery day in the Hundred Acre Wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm hanging on tightly, bro.
Happy Wednesday! We'll save you, Piglet! First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious.
Hello! Steal honey, beware, beware. What a wonderful dream!
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh! Hooray!
Oh boy, it's your birthday!
It's time for your party, Pooh! Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hooray!
Hooray! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Pooh!
I hope you like mine, Pooh Bear.
I've never seen so many presents!
Hope you like my present. Present for Pooh.
Looks
We were, because we went on the freeway,
Oh, and you saw, yeah.